We are preparing for takeoff. Please make sure your seat back and tray tables are in their full upright position. Pay attention to the fasten seatbelt signs. You can only open the overhead bins when this warning light is off. Smoking is not allowed on board, and tampering with or disabling the smoke detectors in the lavatories is prohibited. Please read the card with the safety instructions located in the pocket in front of you. In an emergency landing, stay in one of the positions indicated on this card. In an emergency evacuation, leave all carry-on behind. We wish you all a great flight.
Em caso de uma despressurização, as máscaras protetoras faciais deverão ser retiradas antes de colocar a sua máscara de oxigênio. Caso queira um cartão individual com instruções de segurança, solicite a um dos comissários. In case of a decompression, protective facial masks should be removed before put on your oxygen mask. If you want an individual safety instructions card, ask one of the flight attendants. Thank you.
Licença. Tem as mochilas embaixo do banco, tá? Obrigado. Bota um pouquinho aqui e aquele ali também. Aperta esse botãozinho. Você levar a mochila mais para baixo?
Popcorn.